No battery in the battery compartment.
No.
We got a 9-volt, 12-volt Black & Decker dual battery. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna wire it with this. I'm gonna connect it here, and I'm gonna power this truck up so she can ride it. All right, hold the camera this way. Get your finger away like that. Perfect. Get this. Saray, focus here. Okay, leave it like that. Don't move. Okay.
You were so nice.
Saray, come on. Please. Okay. You got the thread?
Hmm?
Oh. Okay. Tape.
It's you, Gabby.
Okay, so there goes the wires. There goes a 12-volt battery hooked up. Take the car back on. Saray, go for a ride. Oh, whoa, easy, easy. It's too fast. It's too fast. Hold on, hold on. It's fast. Now, come on. Show me the speed, baby. Show me the speed.